Despite it being a very boring upgrade over the S23, the S24 Ultra is already shaping up to be the best phone of this year. The phone is not perfect though. Many early S24 owners have complained of washed out display colors. Samsung is working on a vividness slider to resolve the issue, but this is not the only defect that the S24 series this year has come up with. Apparently, S24 Ultra's super bright display is now marred with various other display problems. Many S24 displays appear to have a grainy texture which is visible on dark and grey backgrounds. There are several reports about this on Reddit, and a poll with over 350 plus responses indicate most S24 and S24 plus owners are seeing this issue. One Redditor put his Galaxy S24 Ultra under the 400 into OM microscope, revealing the subpixel density is not uniform at 10% brightness. This uniformity improves around 30% brightness, and around 50% it's almost non-existent. Apparently this is a hardware issue. Many customers were able to get a replacement unit free of this problem. Some have refused a replacement and had to escalate the matter to get a new unit. Admittedly, you cannot see the grainy texture on S24 display unless you look closely, but given the Ultra's price of $1,300, you expect the phone to be free of such issues. Even if the grainy texture issue was not enough, some Galaxy S24 users are now reporting seeing 3 horizontal bars on the display at low brightness. Unlike the grainy texture problem, this appears to be limited to a number of units. Some users are seeing excessive banding while viewing gradient issues. It's unclear if this is a hardware or software issue, though one Reddit post suggests that this is a software issue and should be resolved soon. So first time anybody seeing so much issues in a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra screen. Really hope Samsung actually improve their quality of their display so that this does not happen in the first batch.